Well, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore. I have not been to the boat since my son and I dropped it off March 30th. It is May 2nd today. So April was not there at all. And so today I'm on my way over to see how the progress is going. This is for those of you who remember, I had surgery on March 9th. In the meantime, because I needed to have this work done, I wanted to get the boat over to Edwards, which is where the boat is being worked on. So my son and I managed to get over there on March 30th. And I've been dealing with complications from surgery, which is why I haven't really posted anything recently. I'm feeling okay right now because it's morning time and I'm usually better in the mornings. Just real quick to catch you up if you're not aware, we are in our 5th season of boating with Eternity Shore 2. She is a Chris Craft 33 Express with Volvo Penta 5.7 GI engines, twins, 34 feet length overall, about 12 feet beam, and the other description of her you can find in the channel description. Just look below for that. Now I'm headed up there. I'm gonna take some pictures. I have been told, and it's been shown to me, that the manifolds and risers have been removed and that they were in the process of ordering new ones. I don't know what else they have done. And in talking to them, they think it should be another 2 weeks because they've had the boat for 4 weeks now. It'll be 5 weeks Monday. Just to go over the list again, manifolds and risers on the Volvo Penta 5.7 GI engines, spark plug wires. We're asking them to repair our hot water heater since I can't reach it, and it's probably just a heating element. We are then asking them to pull both outdrives. I actually hope that the both outdrives are already pulled because the boat has been out of the water for a while. So both outdrives, we have Volvo DPSM outdrives. We want them pulled and everything in there, basically, bellows. I assume they're ripped bellows, etc. Have everything in there changed out that needs to be changed out. So that's, from a guts perspective, that's a lot. And then beyond that, it's just getting the boat in the water, which the bottom paint has not been done. And the outdrives have not been sanded and painted. So I'm actually bringing with me paint that I had bought, assuming I was going to be able to do it, and I didn't. So I've got white outdrive paint, which I used last year, not spray, but brush. So I'm hoping that's okay with them to be able to use that. So that's what I'm going to be checking up on today, see the progress. I am hoping that I will find more than just manifolds and risers removed. I'm hoping there's activity on these other elements. All right, so we'll catch up with you when I get close. Oh, it's windier than I want it to be here. So I'm at Stansbury, and here's our slip all lonely. Ken and Barb are no longer here, and I don't see Mike and Betty's boat either. Oh, this is a cute little tug. You got a month and things change. Things change in a month. Dear reader, it's cute. I thought it would be warmer on the water than it is today. So I had heard this is true, and this is true. I were at Stansbury, and this boat sank. Rumor has it was not winterized. They have 3 boats here, actually. One on land and another one in the water. And Stansbury is trying to get them out. Because they're going to court, they can't touch it. The marina can't touch it, unfortunately. Again, we're not sure that's the case. I'm going to try to pull up in an old video so you can see what that boat looks like. These are all new lift slips. One here, one here. Some bird is trying to build a nest. Bear's over here. All right, I was just talking to Jess about what they're doing here at the boatyard. At Stansbury. These are 30,000-pound lifts right here. And their plan is to put in maybe 2 or 3 more lift slips here. These are these would be the 20s. And they have a wait list. I think they have 2 people they promised. And so I'm going to ask them to put us on the wait list. I'm not 100% sold on that yet, but if we continue boating, my health is okay, I think the lift is the way I want to go. Partly why they're trying to get this person out, because they're trying to put in lift slips here. So that would be maybe 1, 2, 3, and maybe we end up in this spot. I would really love to be here and, you know, for us to have this view. Oh, what do you guys think about that? They've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more lift slips planning on coming in here. And you can see them over there. Eventually they want the whole thing to be lift slips, not the floating dock, because that's what people want. People are using those center consoles too. So let me know what you think about that. All right. I'm in Edwards Boatyard. Oh, I see her. Over here. There she is. The question is, can I get aboard? Okay, here are a couple pictures of the manifolds and risers that they took off. They're no longer on the boat, so they had sent them to me. Here's what a typical manifold, new manifold, would look like from the top. That center section is where the air, the exhaust come out. In those 4 side sections are where the water would surround that air and cool it. Notice a picture of mine. That again would be the air section. But look how clogged the water is on that one in particular. You can tell me what you think about the corrosion here. We've had the boat for 5 years. We've never changed the manifolds or the risers. We don't know when or if the previous owners ever changed these out. And this is a 2004, and we are in brackish water. So I'm pretty satisfied that this was something we should do, especially since we did experience overheating on both of these engines.
So it looks like all they did was take the manifolds and risers off.
So overall, I was disappointed that that's all they've done so far. Mary and I are hoping to get out Memorial Day weekend. That's 3 weeks away, and I've been told 2 weeks and they'll be done, but I'm not so sure. In the meantime, I left behind a can of paint for the outdrives and also spark plugs and the wires, so they have everything they need to do there. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. Hopefully my health will improve enough that we can get back on this boat and enjoy season number 5. Have a great day.